Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add anchor link here in Hubspot. Let's begin. Now the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Hubspot, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding anchor links in Hubspot is a straightforward process that can enhance user experience and improve website performance in several ways. Now, you want to make sure you are on the right interface if you're going to add anchor link in Hubspot. I want you to hover to the content section. Depending on how you set up your HubSpot account, in my case, you can see the content on the left side panel of your dashboard because some of the users have the interface on the upper corner. Now, I want you to click on the landing pages. If you haven't already, we are going to start from scratch because we can drive customers to your website with landing pages. And of course, this is how we can add anchor link. You can start from scratch, and of course you can type the website, and the page name can be something like Jeep Labs. Create a page, just wait for it to load. As you can see, you can now you can start from scratch, or you can view all themes in the marketplace. You can set as active theme. You can preview that if you wanted. If you don't like this one, just click on back and go to the view all themes and marketplace so you can have more control if you feel like that is the way for you to do it. You have a Sprocket Rocket Free, so I don't like this one for now. Maybe I'm gonna be using this one, view details. Let me check that. Okay, so let's use this. Click install. Just wait for it. Now from here, all you're gonna do is click on start and click on next. And I'm going to edit some stuff here. All right, let me change the image for now. I'm gonna click on replace. Click on replace. I'm gonna choosing this image instead. Now for you to be able to put in an anchor link, all you're gonna do is click this option. All right. Now I'm going to get the link to my YouTube channel, which is Jeep Laughs. So if you haven't already, you might want to hit the subscribe button so you get notification updates to our content we upload daily for you guys. All right, I'm gonna copy that. I'm switching over to the Hubspot. Get to the link again. And from here, all I'm gonna do is click on the link to. It's gonna be the link text. This is gonna be Jeep Laughs. And on the drop-down menu, click on the anchor this page. Choose an anchor, right? And all I have to do is choose an anchor. If you create an anchor here, basically when you click on this, it would automatically pop out, and that's how you can add anchor link in Hubspot. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.